Beneath warm soil, peanut plants grew quietly, their pods forming underground, hidden from sight. When the time is right, the harvest begins, machines lifting the plants from the earth, separating pods from soil, and preparing them for the next stage of their journey.
Moisture levels look good on this batch.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sample point.
At the processing facility, raw peanuts are cleaned and carefully sorted. Stones, dust, and damaged kernels are removed, leaving only peanuts suitable for food production. Each step is designed to protect quality and consistency.
Here at the plant, efficiency is key. The kernels are separated by high-speed rollers, a process meticulously monitored by the floor team.
The peanuts are then roasted, a precise balance of time and temperature, transforming raw kernels into a source of flavor and aroma. Once cooled, their skins are removed and the peanuts move forward, now ready to become something new.
We've adjusted the airflow for zone 4. Good, good.
The temperature is stabilizing nicely.
Powerful vertical air columns lift the lighter skins away, while the cleaned kernels accelerate downwards for collection.
Levels are steady at 90%. Airflow looks good.
Yeah. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge, make sure it doesn't spike.
Check the density levels on batch 7. Looks consistent, but there's an anomaly in row 3.
The integrated cooling jackets ensure the paste remains at a consistent temperature, critical for preserving the rich flavor and smooth texture.
The flow rate on pump 3 seems slightly high.
Adjusting the parameters now, the system is stable.
The flow consistency is stable at 99.5%. Good, we can maintain the current dosage rate.
Inside the grinding machines, solid peanuts are crushed into a thick, flowing paste. Heat and pressure release natural oils, changing texture without altering the ingredient itself. What emerges is the foundation of peanut butter.
The internal temperature on tank 4 is spiking.
Adjusting the flow rate now. We need to stabilize it before the next cycle.
The precision air knives engage, using high-velocity pressurized air to ensure every jar rim is completely free of residue before filling. Mounted on spindles, these massive rolls feed material into the system. Tension rollers and guides ensure ultra-precise alignment at incredible speeds.
Utilizing high-resolution camera modules, the inspection system rapidly scans the jars, guaranteeing flawless placement and quality control.
This pneumatic arm swiftly removes any non-standard items, maintaining strict quality control.
The automated stretch wrapper secures the load, ensuring stability during transit in the modern warehouse.
The automated capping mechanisms ensure every jar is sealed with the exact same pressure, a seamless blend of speed and precision.
Make sure Bay 4 is clear before the next pallet.
Roger that. Manifest checks out.
Watch the alignment on row 3. Got it. Shifting this one left.
How many cases left?
Just 3 more on this pallet.
As dusk settles over the facility, the production of peanut butter continues uninterrupted,